Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore the most stunning luxury homes around the world. Today, we are touring a breathtaking 6-bedroom mansion located in Birmingham's prestigious Four Oaks estate, listed at £4,250,000. This 8,000-square-foot home sits on half an acre of beautifully landscaped land with mature trees, combining elegance, comfort, and modern design. From the moment you arrive, the grandeur of this property is evident. The sweeping driveway leads to a magnificent facade with gray and Jamni accents, offering a perfect blend of contemporary style and classic sophistication. As we take a drone view, the full scope of the property becomes clear. The grand entrance, the landscaped gardens, the private courtyard, and the separate guest coach house all contribute to a luxurious lifestyle. Every detail is meticulously designed, making this mansion a perfect example of high-end real estate featured on American Dream Mansions. Walking through the front door, you are greeted by a double-height entrance hall with a bespoke staircase that sweeps gracefully across the room. Natural light floods the area through large windows, highlighting the fine craftsmanship and bespoke finishes. The open-plan design immediately conveys a sense of space and luxury. The living room features elegant seating, designer lighting, and expansive views, providing a perfect environment for both family gatherings and entertaining guests. The gray and Jamni color palette adds warmth while maintaining a contemporary aesthetic, creating a space that is both inviting and sophisticated. The kitchen is a dramatic centerpiece, featuring book-matched marble countertops, premium appliances, and a spacious island. Adjacent to the kitchen is an elegant dining area, with a long table and stunning chandelier, ideal for hosting dinner parties or enjoying family meals. From here, large windows look out onto the courtyard, seamlessly connecting indoor and outdoor living spaces. American Dream Mansions showcases properties like this for their perfect combination of luxury and functionality. The home office provides a serene environment for work or study, and every corner of this mansion reflects attention to detail. The bespoke staircase leads to the upper level where the 6 bedrooms are located. The master suite is a true sanctuary, complete with a freestanding Armani bath, a walk-in wardrobe, and a marble en-suite bathroom. Each of the additional bedrooms offers comfort and elegance, maintaining the cohesive gray and Jamni color scheme throughout the property. Entertainment options are abundant in this mansion. A private cinema room allows for immersive movie experiences, while the fully equipped gym ensures that fitness goals can be met without leaving home. The separate guest coach house provides privacy and comfort for visitors, making it ideal for hosting extended stays. Outdoor spaces include a landscaped courtyard and seating areas that are perfect for relaxation and socializing, blending seamlessly with the interior design. Every aspect of this property incorporates high-end technology, including smart home features, underfloor heating, and advanced lighting systems. Bespoke finishes throughout the home reflect the highest level of craftsmanship, creating a living space that is as functional as it is luxurious. The attention to detail in architecture, interior design, and landscaping demonstrates why this property is featured on American Dream Mansions and why it is a prime example of modern luxury living in Birmingham. This 6-bedroom mansion combines elegance, comfort, and practicality in every corner. From the grand exterior to the meticulously designed interiors, every space has been thoughtfully curated to provide a harmonious living experience. Whether enjoying a quiet moment in the master suite, entertaining in the living areas, or hosting guests in the coach house, this property offers unparalleled luxury and convenience. Thank you for joining us on this tour of one of Birmingham's most exquisite homes. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to explore more extraordinary properties. Stay connected with American Dream Mansions for exclusive tours, insider looks, and inspiration from the world's most beautiful homes.